terms of who those clients are here in the UK, we have a domestic community here of private clients and an international one with much new wealth coming from developing markets. Which is the most attractive to you of those two communities?
Both. Both are very attractive. I can tell you, I mean, we have the chance to be in a unique place in Europe, in the world, which is London and the UK. And from the perspective of our clients, both clients, I would say segment, if I want to use a very technical word, are represented very well in SG Hambros. Traditionally, SG Hambros, from the Hambros name and the history of this over 170 years bank, has been traditionally handling domestic UK clients in London, but across the regions as well. And we still have kept today, I mean, 5 offices in the UK, in Leeds, Cambridge, Newbury, Edinburgh, and Leamington. We have a very, very important base of clients from the UK, traditionally also, because that's the bread and butter of the bank. And this is where Hambros has developed an immense expertise and credibility and visibility over the past centuries. The combination and the arrival of SG, Société Genérale Group in '98, just 15 years ago, has brought up a different perspective to the business with a more international direction to it. And if I look today, for example, a very simple breakdown of our business, 60% being domestically driven or UK, 40% international. And we definitely rely here on the expertise of Société Générale, one of the largest European bank, its network and the ability of the bank to attract international client. Now, it has nothing to do with SG Hambros, unfortunately, but we are also operating from London in the UK, a key market and financial place. And whether you are British, whether you are from the Middle East, whether you're Asians or you're Russians, if you're Indian or Pakistani or Greece, or from Greece, but also French, as you know, the trend recently has been increasing, you are attracted by the UK, by London, as a key place, whether it is for your children, for education, whether it's for business, whether it is for startup, whether it is for investment, or you want to buy a property here. There are a whole lot of opportunities for settling down, investing, and being in the UK.
But even though a lot of clients are attracted by London, as you quite correctly say, it would be unfeasible perhaps for large banks to come in from another country and just have an office in London. We need this regional network that you're talking about. Is it vital to have the offices in Cambridge, in Leeds, in Edinburgh that you talked about earlier?
We have definitely in our commercial strategic plan at SG Hambros developed this twofold approach: the domestic customer side, the international side. And I can tell you that with our CEO, Mr. Barnett, we've been defending and explaining in our head office that both sides are vital for different reasons. First of all, I mean, from a purely banker's risk management side, you need to balance your portfolio. And we found out that actually both types of segment and client provide opportunities for development. Our clients know what it is they can expect. They have investment proposal, they have wealth planning consultation, they have their banker they can see in Cambridge, they can see in Leeds, they can drop by the office, and they can be entertained by the banker. So it's many years of building relationship, entertaining our client, and getting their trust and confidence. And we have decided in our plan to continue growing our presence in the region. We have made last year 16 hiring of new bankers. We're going to make 9 new hiring in 2014. So we're growing our resources in terms of private banking relationship. And that's very key to us. On the other side, the international segment of our client, we also been strengthening our presence where we think we have key areas of expertise. I mean, obviously the French segment, thanks to the shareholder presence of Société Genérale Group, thanks also to the numerous French who have decided to cross the channels over to the UK, has given us an inflow business, and it continues. We are developing ourselves also on the Middle East side, on the Russian side, and strengthening our position on the Greek segment as well. So we have a network presence with the Société Générale Group, strong presence in the east of Europe, be it Russia, where Société Générale is one of the largest banks in Russia. But we have also our presence in the Middle East and in the rest of Europe. So we clearly, we're balancing both of it, and we definitely consider that's a key area of growth.